Without your consent, we are not going to use anything of anybody else's. It will be strictly of the couples. And we are going to use donor sperm or donor egg for only people who don't have sperms, don't have eggs. We are going to explain you that this is the deficient part in you or your partner. So this is an option for you. Donor is an option for you. You give your consent, your verbal consent, your written consent. You have to sign the consent form. Only with that we are going to use a donor sperm or a donor egg. For so many people, they would have been advised to go for IUI, IVF, but they'll be scared. When we question them, they'll be like, "No, madam, someone told me that they are going to use somebody else's sperm or someone else's embryo. That is why we didn't go for the treatment for so long." If it is an IUI, it will be your husband's sperm only, unless said otherwise that you are going to require a donor sperm and you have given a consent. Otherwise, no, you don't have to worry about that. And even in IVF, we are going to use your own egg and your own sperm. Hi, myself Dr. Chaithra, fertility consultant working at Shishu IVF Fertility, Rajajinagar. This is the most common question by the patients. For so many people, they would have been advised to go for IUI, IVF, but they'll be scared. When we question them, they'll be like, "No, madam, someone told me that they are going to use somebody else's sperm or someone else's embryo. That is why we didn't go for the treatment for so long." Without your consent, and we are going to use donor sperm or donor egg for only people who don't have sperms, don't have eggs. We are going to explain you that this is the deficient part in you or your partner. So this is an option for you. Donor is an option for you. You give your consent, your verbal consent, your written consent. You have to sign the consent form. Only with that we are going to use a donor sperm or a donor egg. Otherwise, without your consent, we are not going to use anything of anybody else's. It will be strictly of the couples. If it is an IUI, it will be your husband's sperm only, unless said otherwise that you are going to require a donor sperm and you have given a consent. Otherwise, no, you don't have to worry about that. And even in IVF, we are going to use your own egg and your own sperm. If we are going to use anything else, we would have said it before only. With your consent only we are going to do. Otherwise, nobody is going to change the gametes, or because of that you shouldn't deny the treatment to go whatever it is, IVF or IUI. You have to go forward for the treatment. Don't get feared that okay, it will be of someone else's. No.